Bringing on a new driver? Getting your team set up shouldn't slow you down. Simplify driver onboarding and team management, all directly inside Cargo. Click the icon in the upper left corner to expand the menu, hover over Navigation, and select Team. Click Add Member to get started. Enter their full name, phone number, email, username, and password. Select their role, choose from admin, support, driver, or all. In this case, we'll pick driver. Next, choose an inspection mode. None for no required photos, basic for standard checks with experienced drivers, or strict for expanded photo angles with newer drivers. You can customize these defaults anytime in organization settings. Attach their CDL so it's stored on file and ready to share instantly with brokers. Click Save. Copy their login credentials and send them along so your new team member can get started right away. And just like that, you're done. You've successfully added a new team member.